Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll show you the simplest and most effective way to fix your Firstmark Credit Union account freeze. Welcome to our channel. When your Firstmark Credit Union account is suddenly frozen, it may cause significant disruptions. But don't worry, we're here to guide you through the process smoothly. And effectively, the first thing you need to do is to verify the reason behind the freeze. This usually happens because of suspicious activity, security concerns, or discrepancies in your account. Details to begin: start by logging into your online banking portal and look for any notification or message explaining why the account was frozen. If you cannot find clear information, proceed to contact Firstmark Credit Union customer service immediately. They can provide specific details and help you understand the next steps to get in touch with them. Prepare your personal identification details, such as your account number, social security number, and any recent transaction information. This will help speed up the verification process. The fastest way is to call their customer service phone number, which is usually available on the official website. During the call, explain your situation clearly and ask for the specific reason your account is frozen. The representative may ask you some security questions to verify your identity, which is a normal procedure. Once verified, they will provide you with the instructions needed to lift the freeze. Typically, you might need to update your account information or resolve any suspicious transactions. For some freezes, you may be asked to visit a nearby branch with identification documents to confirm your identity in person. If instructed to resolve transactions, review your recent banking activity, carefully identify and report any unauthorized transactions immediately to the bank. This will help them clear any security holds on your account. After following all requested steps, allow some time for the bank to process your request. Usually it takes from a few hours up to 1 business day for the freeze to be lifted. To prevent future freezes, monitor your account regularly and ensure your contact information is updated. Always notify the bank if you travel or if you notice any unusual activity. Using the bank's mobile app or alert system can also keep you informed about your account status. Staying proactive with your account security is key to preventing freezes and ensuring uninterrupted access. We hope this clear step-by-step guide helps solve your Firstmark Credit Union account freeze quickly and without stress. Remember, thorough communication and timely action are crucial when dealing with any account issues. And don't forget to keep your personal details secure at all times. Thank you for watching. If you found this information helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and liking the video for more useful banking tips and guides.